Scientists are studying these 3 animals to create medicine for humans, so a lost human body part can regrow. Number 3, sharks have 300 teeth and they can renew their dental structures. Over the course of a lifetime, they lose at least 30,000 teeth. Over the course of its lifetime, a shark can regenerate one missing tooth up to 50 times. A shark's ability to regenerate teeth might take anywhere from a few days and several months. Number 2, chameleons. Although chameleons are best known for their color-changing ability, they are also able to regenerate. Chameleons can regrow their tails. Number 1, starfish. Starfish can regrow arms that detach from their central disc, and some species have even been observed to complete the process in reverse, regrowing an entire body from a lost arm. Starfish are among the most famous and dramatic examples, being able to grow an entirely new body from just a single arm. Starfish also have the ability to regenerate neurons. Please like and subscribe to this channel so you can get all new interesting videos.